Children, today we are going to start lesson number 10, that is our Earth. As we all know, our Earth is a unique planet and we can find all kinds of forms like mountains, valley, oceans, seas and life with plants and animals, insect in it. We all live in our Earth happily and peacefully. Our Earth is like a round ball, as you can see it in the picture. It is slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. The distance between Earth and the Sun is very important. It is one of the 8 planets of the solar system that moves around the Sun. The largest planet is Jupiter, as you can see it in the picture, and the smallest one is the Mercury, which is the closest to the Sun. The Sun and the Earth. The Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. It is at the right distance, as we get just enough heat and light from the Sun to allow living things to grow. And the distance is one of the main reasons that life can grow on Earth and nowhere else in our solar system. A layer of air called atmosphere surrounds the Earth, which prevents the rays of sun from harming the Earth. The atmosphere is basically the mixture of many gases which will protect us from the heat of the sun and also from the harmful UV radiation of the Sun. The shape of the Earth. Now, it was very controversial at that point of time, because long ago people thought that the Earth is flat and people were afraid to sail out to the sea in case they will fall off from the edge of the Earth. Edge means the end point of the Earth. But after a great explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, who proved that this theory was completely wrong, and he proved that the Earth is round, it is not flat at all. The photographs taken from the space also show that the Earth is round. Look at these pictures. Previously, people used to thought that the Earth is flat, but in reality, it looks like this. Next is the rotation of Earth. The Earth is spinning continuously. It spins on its own axis like a top. The axis is an imaginary line that is running from the North Pole to the South Pole. Look at this picture. This one is the North Pole and this one is the South Pole. And if we draw the axis like this and an imaginary line from the middle of the Earth, it will form an angle of 23.5 degrees. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis once every 24 hours is called one rotation. And this causes day and night. That means Earth will take 24 hours to complete one rotation on its own axis. The Earth always rotates from west to east direction. Next is day and night. During the day, we can see the sun in the sky. This is because our side of the Earth is facing the sun. Look at this picture. The half of the Earth is always facing the sun, while the other half is in the shadow or the darkness. And that part will have the night time during that time. This is because the Earth is always rotating on its axis. So the part that will face the sun, it will have the daytime, and the part that will not receive the sun ray, that will have the night time. Look at here. This is how the Earth rotates on its own axis. And the middle line that you can see, it's the equator. We can perform an activity. Take a globe and a torch. Place the globe on the table. Light a torch in front of it. The portion of the globe lit by the torch has day, while the other half remains in the dark and has night. Thus, when it is night in India, America has daylight. Why we don't feel the movement of the earth? We do not feel the movement of earth as we are also moving along with it. And for example, when we are in a moving bus, we do not feel the movement. Instead, it appears as if the trees, houses, etc. are moving with us. Isn't? In the same way, though the earth is moving, we feel that the sun is moving in the sky. But of course, sun is not moving. Our earth is moving around the sun. As the earth keeps constantly changing its position, the size and direction of the shadows falling on the earth change. Next is the revolution of the earth. As the earth rotates, it also moves around the sun in a definite path. This path never changes and it's called the Earth's orbit. The white lines are the orbit. When the earth takes one round along its orbit, it completes one revolution. The earth will take 1 year to complete one revolution, and this revolution causes different seasons. Look at this picture again. The revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit. Revolution causes the change of season. You can see it in the picture. There are summer, autumn, winter and spring season. So earth will take 365 days to revolve around the sun, and that will cause the change of season. Children, now watch the video carefully. The earth is rotating on its own axis. As we have already discussed that it is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. So earth will take 24 hours to complete one rotation around its own axis, which will cause day and night. Next is revolution of earth. Look at how the earth is spinning around its own orbit, and it is revolving around the sun in this fixed path. This fixed path is known as Earth's orbit. And due to the revolution, there will be change of seasons. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. So children, watch the video carefully and read the chapter. In the next class, we are going to discuss the doubts that you have from this chapter. Thank you, children.